Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I am doing my no makeup look today, and I always start off the no makeup look with these eye patches. I use them all the time, but I really try to make sure that I use them when I'm going to do my no makeup look. It just helps depuff and all that stuff. But these ones are from Wander Beauty. I do really like these, but my favorite ones are probably any of the Sephora collection ones. I really like their eye masks. But this is the first step that I do, so I did want to include it in the intro, but we're going to go ahead and get right into the rest of the look. Okay guys, so peeling these off, and then I just rub in any extra of the juices. Now, you guys don't need eye patches. You guys could totally leave a spoon in the freezer, just come in here and kind of like massage under your eye a couple minutes, and that's it. I mean, there's a lot of tricks. I'm just saying. So first things first, I officially have to order this because I'm running out. I might have another sample. I don't know. I'll look. Anyway, going in with our Milk Makeup Primer. Now, for this look, I'm looking to use like the tiniest bit. And that is because we're not really doing a lot of makeup, or you guys will see what I mean. A lot of foundation. Now, for this no makeup look, I don't put my step 1 primer on because sometimes it does give you that white little cast. Well, I feel like it always does, but I feel like sometimes more than others. For under the eyes slash to conceal any like little spots we might have, I'm going to go in with concealer. Normally I just go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan. This is like my skin tone-ish, more my skin tone, but today I'm going to dab just a little bit of the C16 under the eyes with the Shape Tape. So mainly it's going to be the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge. So I'm just going to take this on the bottom, and then on this side. I don't think I've used the Shape Tape with you guys yet. I don't remember. So then with the Shape Tape, I want to go in there and spot conceal any little areas that I feel might need it, which honestly, if I'm being honest, I rarely spot conceal. It's mainly just focused under my eyes, but you know. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that Magic Star Concealer here, just to help it brighten up the under eye a little bit. I basically want it to look like my skin, but a little better. So that's what we're going for. And for these spot conceals, if it's like really red, I like to go in with my finger and just kind of like dab it in. But yeah guys, I don't really, if I don't feel like wearing makeup, most of the time I just don't wear it. But if I want to like just look a little more refreshed that day, but not necessarily full glam, then this is kind of more what I do. So sometimes I set, sometimes I don't. Today we're gonna set because it's still a little hot out, a lot of hot out. So I'm just gonna go in with my Airspun translucent powder. I'm trying to be really careful because if you guys remember, my husband broke it. So I just take it on a flat brush. I take the smallest amount and then I come down here. Just make sure that your eyes aren't already creasing. And you're just wanting to put like a super thin layer. Like truly just to set it. You're not really trying to do anything else. And now just to avoid the shine, I just rub this over my eye. And then put a little powder on my forehead because it is shiny. You guys already know. I'm like super shiny. I feel, ooh, I just got that all over my shirt. So now we should be looking something like this. So just to kind of like warm up the face a little bit, I just take my True Match powder foundation in the color Caramel Beige. And I just take it on a fluffy brush and I kind of bronze with it because this is my skin tone. My skin is a lot lighter because I exfoliate and I wash it all the time and I'm wiping it all the time. So that's why my face is always lighter. So even though this is my skin tone, my face is technically lighter. I haven't put like full foundation on or anything like that. So this will kind of help warm up the face, kind of like bronzing. So once we have that, baby hairs everywhere, then I just go in and highlight. Now for me, for my highlight, most of the time I like to go in with a highlight that is, again, a little bit more deeper, kind of like more my skin tone. So I go in with this one. It's by Dose of Colors. It's a Desi X Katie highlight in the shade Chasing Sun. I love this highlight. Again, it's usually my no makeup highlight. I mean, I use it all the time for everything, but I don't know where my fan brush is, so I'm just going to go in with this Sephora Collection brush. And then, so almost like I want that glowing within kind of color. That's why I wanted it a little bit on the darker side for me. I mean, sometimes if I want to use a highlight, I'll use whatever highlight. I don't care. Okay guys, so my IC turned on, so I had to cut it. But I finished highlighting my face, and I'm just going to go in there and kind of buff this in / blend it out. So for my no makeup looks, I like to go in with a baked blush. It kind of helps just kind of marry together the highlight with the blush without looking so makeup-y, so heavy. So I am going in with the Loreal Baked Blush in Blush and Bright, in the shade Blush and Bright. And basically a baked blush is just, I will zoom it in for you guys. So basically a baked blush is a blush that has pearlized pigments in it. So you just swirl it together and it's kind of like a highlight with the blush mixed together. So I'm just going to take my blush brush, swirl it in here, and then tap off the excess. And I'm going to kind of go in lightly. I'm holding the brush all the way at the top, so I'm going to kind of feather it on. And then lightly put a little more pressure. Just because I don't want it to like stamp on so harshly. You guys, we don't have foundation on or anything else to really blend it into. So I know this seems like a lot, but really I'm going in there lightly and it's taking me a lot longer because I'm talking to you guys and I'm showing you. So I'm going to go in there with the Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray. So just spraying it on and going with my fan. So now I'm just going to go in with the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. I still don't know what it's called, even though I've used it like pretty much almost every day. Okay, so now that we have our brows on, I'm going to go in with mascara. Now, I told you guys in my Thrive Lash Extension review, hopefully it's already up, that this mascara was good for like that no makeup look. Again, for $24, not for me, but a mascara like this is good for these no makeup looks because you just kind of come in here and swipe it on here, and you could just literally walk out the door with like just those little 2 swipes. I'm gonna go in here and just like that. And you guys, the reason that I said about the mascara is because I really feel like I will even do it on the other eye. I really feel like with my stilettos or lash stilettos from Maybelline, I get like basically the same look. So and it's less than half the price. And also, I feel like to you guys it's gonna look like such a big difference, or it looked like a big difference if the video's already up, because my lashes are long, so once I put just a little bit of mascara they look like dramatically different. But realistically, if you have short straight lashes, like, I don't know, I really don't feel like that mascara would really do a whole lot for you because it dries so fast. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and nitpick at it. It's no makeup, but you guys could see. I think this mascara even did like a little darker in the lashes. I'm not sure. Anyway, that is what I was saying about that mascara. So once I have my mascara done, again, I'll put on a chapstick and head out for the sake of today's video. And sometimes, you know, I feel a little extra. I'm going to go in with a gloss. I think I'm going to go in with the So Juicy Colourpop gloss in the shade Feels Like Summer. And if you want to even take it a step further, all you have to do is line your lips really. So I'm just going in like that. And then just because I can, just because I can, I'm going to go into the Cosmetics Mother of Pearl lip gloss in the color Tesoro. I'll swatch this one for you guys. I don't think I've used this one. It's like gold reflective, and I'm literally going to just like in the center. Okay guys, so that is the completed look. That is my no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from it. But if there's any other products or videos that you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to try to record that as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and ring the little bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. You never know, they might need like a new quick refresh 10-minute little makeup routine. But that's it from me, so I'll see you guys next time. Adios.